Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create text behind person in CapCut PC. So it is super simple. So you can follow the steps. Right, so I'm going to select image or videos, select edit with the object. So to make the text, go to text, select default text, and you can change for text. All right, you can change for the font style, change for the font color, and change for the size. Sorry, and change for the font size. Right, select the clips, select the clips, right click and select create component clip and add the same clip as an overlay, put on top. Go to cutout, select auto cutout. Go, you can see the text is behind object. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.